Conversations for English learners. Welcome to English Online Practice. Let's listen and practice the following conversations. Conversation 1. At the coffee shop. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, not at all. Please take it.
Thanks. What a beautiful day, isn't it?
Absolutely. Perfect for a coffee.
I completely agree. What are you having? Conversation 2. Ordering food. Hi, can I take your order?
Yes, please. I'd like a hamburger with fries.
Okay, and would you like a drink with that?
Yes, I'll have a soda, please.
Great. Anything else for you today? Conversation 3. Asking for directions. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what's the problem?
I'm lost. I'm looking for the library.
No problem. It's just down this street on the left.
Thank you so much. Conversation 4. Making plans. Hey, what are you doing this weekend?
Nothing much. Why?
We could go see that new movie everyone's talking about.
Sounds good. What time were you thinking?
How about Saturday afternoon? Conversation 5. Talking about the weather. Oh, it's cold today.
You're telling me. I can't believe it's already raining.
I know, right? I was hoping for a sunny day.
Maybe it will clear up later.
Hopefully. Conversation 6. Greeting a new neighbor. Hi there, I haven't seen you around before.
Hi, I just moved in next door.
Welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Tim.
Nice to meet you, Tim. I'm Nancy.
Let me know if you need anything. Conversation 7. Asking for help. Excuse me, could you help me with this?
Sure, what's the matter?
I can't figure out how to use this printer.
No problem, I can show you.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. Conversation 8. Complimenting someone. I love your sweater. It's such a pretty color.
Oh, thank you. I really like yours too.
You're welcome. Where did you get it?
I actually got it at that new store downtown.
Thanks, I'll have to check it out. Conversation 9. Talking about a hobby. Hey, did you see that amazing documentary about butterflies last night?
No, I missed it. I was busy painting.
Oh, cool. What are you working on?
It's a landscape scene with some mountains.
That sounds great. Maybe next time we can watch a documentary together.